In this video, we'll show you how to do the chain stitch. We're using Sirdar Happy Cotton and you'll use the yarn and the needle in your pattern. So let's start embroidering the chain stitch. I'm going to take my cotton and you want to take yourself a length. You don't want to take too much because this can easily become knotted. I'm going to snip this and we're going to use a small piece of thread to help thread our darning needle. So we take our small bit of thread, we put that through the eye, and this helps create a bigger loop to thread our cotton through. You want to thread your cotton through your loop and pull the two ends to help pull that through your needle and thread it up. We're going to tie a small knot at the end of our thread and we're going to secure our yarn in the back of our work in place where we want to begin. So I'm going to go under a stitch, pull through, and then very close to where your knot is, on the side of the thread that's going into your fabric, you're going to go through the thread, breaking it and pulling through to secure it and hold it in place. We're now going to come from the back of your work up through the front to begin our chain stitch. To work our chain stitch, we want to work back through the same hole that we came up and come behind the work, leaving a small gap and coming back out the front. We're going to take our thread and then we're going to wrap it round the needle, looping it round, creating our first chain. We're going to pull through and this becomes the first loop in our chain stitch. To carry on our chain, we're going to repeat that by going back through the same hole that we came out of, going under the wrong side and coming back out the front, wrapping round our needle and pulling through. The space that you go under on the wrong side of your fabric determines the length of your chain stitch. So we're going to carry on, so we're going to go in through the same hole, underneath and back through to the right side of the fabric. We're going to take our yarn, wrap it round our needle and pull through. And repeat that, so through the same hole, underneath to the right side, wrap around our needle and pull through. So wrap around, pull through. You can go in straight lines or curves, you just want to change the direction that you're working underneath. So wrap around and pull through. Go through the same space underneath, up through the front, wrap around and pull through. To fasten off our chain stitch, we need to pinch down the end. So what we do is, rather than going in the same hole we did before on the inside of the loop, we want to come over the edge of that loop here, go back through the same hole, but looping over the top, trapping our chain to complete our chain stitch. Practice until you're confident and then head to sirdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.